country people them plenty glad for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Tori House, chapter by chapter, we go take una go for side where they call am say new bell wey be hot yesterday. Now some small waiting, small Nineveh for inside Douala. As we talk, as we boy them come out with colors for cuts of people them. But Sabi say near them and Ketu. Them say they be answer present inside this palaver. We go bring another story this morning, this afternoon. Now so too we go take una. We go for Banga Pongo. 13 years it already reached since we aeroplane for Kenya people them. It fall for them. Sabi Sepson governor be promised say they go turn up some aboki for them or something where go make people them for member time as so this accident it be happen. But so today. Place where the accident it pass, they never fix them, and now so to even roads where they be promised people that are Banga Pongo, they never give them for them. This afternoon we go concentrate inside Banga Pongo, when are some place where they for under Douala 3 subdivision. Chapter for Corona 2, we go give them for now for inside Tori for this afternoon. Wanasabi, according to Tori, we enter we here for Bamenda. We don't get 16 people there, they don't die. They don't get 77 cases for Corona for inside Bamenda. Southwest with the yes and 97 cases. The day Limbe, it take number 1. If you want put town by town, Limbe, it get 44 cases inside a Southwest. All these story them, we go bring them this afternoon. Big patok. It talk for we say place where spider it is Shidon. It no be na only place where for Shidon like a house. Na place where they use them for catch enemy. Then say spider a house. No be na only for look at the spider, but na so for use them for catch people then to where they get a bad belly. Big patok. It come out na for inside Tori House. I the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. We glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Tori House. Chapter 1, make we take una go for Bamenda. Now some small picking this, as one of the see that small picking. Where the year say he go thief 3,500 for some mechanic pocket. Yes, he go thief 3,500 for some mechanic pocket this afternoon. Waiting it happen this picking in the try for talk say waiting at the money that we don't give him back for the mechanic. He say na uncle send he say make he can thief the money so that they go take am waka go for Bafusam. Now so the picking it talk. Sabi say the people then say they be don't already put tire them where they say they want born this small picking. But lucky say this picking he give the 3,500. Now so to the carry am for the uncle. Make the uncle say he talk why he go send this small boy for go thief for outside. Now for inside Bamenda way this one he pass this afternoon. Now so the mechanic too they give back 3,000. Tire one at the same so for down there they be already prepare. Say if the pikin no talk through they go use that tire the bunny. No ask me how we manage thief that in 3,500 for that mechanic pocket. But lucky say the pikin to talk it through. He say na your uncle he send he say make he come thief am. Now so to the take it go for the uncle ask he they say na money where they want use am. They go waka for that side so for Bafusam. So now the thing that way pass for that side so for Bamenda this afternoon as we they so the people that we don't talk say they want born the pikin. Now they tell them that where they don't bring them or they gather for use them for bonny for say can say thief 3,500 inside Bamenda this afternoon. Now for the way this arrangement says it happen, we go turn back for them in the proper tomorrow where we come back for morning time. We go left that palaver for that small picking. We talk palaver for casino. Now for that side so for New Bell. Ketu they be dede. Now so to even near them say they be dede. They be dede them plenty. People then say for Commissioner Mefire we been an assistant for inside Jamie number 2. Or them be there for inside New Bell. Yesterday for afternoon where it be hot. According to Tori we enter we here. Police they come. Near them say they come. For Sika Palava say waiting. Say some group for boy them. They take collars, they whip any man when they meet up and for road. They make them plenty people them. They come up for road. For that side, it make them with tear gas. It be throw away plenty All place e be the white, no person e no be there for inside. Na so wonder where they catch am, only clear carton wey dey give am. They talk say na dem dey cause confusion inside place wey they call am say call me tag. One time they catch it too, they move it for game. As so na sabi, these people dem they talk say they come for the 10 leg. E mean say some person e be don vex them, so they turn back say they wan come do the thing dem wey that person do. And so Nyeman give serious clear cartons. He tell you say wetin that thing one na dey make am so for inside New Bell, we no go gree again. Say una own don too much. E be na palava big commander Abega wey he say be dey for outside with him lamboy dem for on top this palava. Sabi say insecurity under Douala 2 subdivision, New Bell in particular, na thing wey person e no fit sleep with or e too eye dem lock. Even Commissioner Mefire be dey down, Commander Abega, all dem they be dey down with people dem for Jemi wey dey like B for Ketu dem, or they be dey there na only for palava for struggle for Kaji boy dem. Sabi say they be tonton cash on one dem, other one dem they run enter for Sosongo Beldi here inside quarter 2 they follow enter. They talk say wetin say that thing it must to end inside New Bell. Say all that boy the way they come cause confusion, they must to put them down. Papa they be only turn up the look as when nye dem say they be do their work. Mami wata say for police it become na just for tell we they can away New Bell that side for casino. It be there yesterday for Sika say some group for boy them they come out, they come say they want do wetin they want shoot. Manadine, we go surely leave this image, make it pass more before we turn back for you. Me pass for inside the New Bell Casino, now for inside Douala 2 subdivision yesterday. Sabi say that boy them, they become with the collars, they cut the knife, they be cut some people them. Now one of the case MDs for the boy where they so they cut it with in collars yesterday, but he no be die, he no be fit for even work again. So Ketu then say they be dead for try for look at them last. They put it on top motor for take it go for hospital. Now one of the case MDs where he did so they cut him with the collars yesterday. Also talk na palava some group for boy the way they come, they say they don't come for revenge. Thing where they do them for their combi for that side, so for inside the New Bell under Douala 2 subdivision. With special cargo this afternoon now for Banga Pongo as well na this yam. These people them now for inside chiefdom for Banga Pongo they come out. Now chief say that where he say the Chapie grass. Now the places where aeroplane for Kenya Airways it be Tombu side. Wana sabi say na number 4 day breaking number 5 day for May 2007 where this aeroplane it fall. Now these people them just now sabi say if na for other country therefore don't build the place where Tory or people them where they come up for outside stranger they go come no come. This water one at the Siam we hear say half for the Kenya Airways he hate is also there for inside with the people that tell we say even bone them for put there they die. There's also there for inside this hole. Now for them where that head for Kenya Airways it be chook enter and so today governor be promised say they go bring some machine where he go can dig the place so that they fit come out that head and they make the place like place where they so people them they fit always come for can see am for member to happen. But so today 13 years since where this aeroplane it fall inside this place with the here say na only people them for Banga Pongo the chief where he the organize a boy them they go can chapia the place for keep and say make the place it dey clean. This water way turn up for here it no be dead before na head for that aeroplane where it chook for inside na he make am this place it dey so as well the talk. Part for the aeroplane is also there for inside the water and some of the people there they no be fit for come out inside the water they also there for inside the water. So today as so Tori enter we here for other country therefore don't already make the place when a place where people them stranger them they go come out they can look and bet. So today Cameroon it is also drag foot 13 years. As well we go for the place, we be see to part for this aeroplane where is also there for them. We be get part for the aeroplane that will meet up for that side. So for inside this place where this boy them, then the work, we get some parts them for the aeroplane where them day for day as we Tori enter we here. Man maybe we go enter for part 2 for this palaver na the same images. We get different one for part them for aeroplane where they so we day for the inside the chapter with the so shown at the same thing. Yes. Now the part them that for the aeroplane as we see now food that side for the food for aeroplane. Now one of the part that we will meet up and for them and all the thing then so now thing with the village people them for Banga Pongo they don't keep them and they don't look them say make no person in no campus stiff them. They wanna just the thing them for show say they so aeroplane it before for year and now they part them that well now they say with the yes they wanna part for the food for aeroplane where it be broke. It means say the side will be there outside. Now some part this way it there for outside where it's so certain today as so the talk since for May 2007 where this thing happened so today this part is also there for day and the chief for that side in the talk saying only them that they ever can champion the place for say make no man in no come out any part where it dey for that side say this thing it dey make am then the member till where it happen that day sabi say governor you work it be then for build some aboki where people they go member the thing now they put that for aeroplane and the one cut come out from that big highway now that side where tire for aeroplane day now the tire accept that where is so they sorted today as well the talk so for here but governor he don't forget about he be promise them say they go build some monuments they go build something plenty people them they go take member them sabi say na the same thing they talk for Ezeka for train accident. Ezeka own better, they don't even stand up something. Banga Pongo their own is also there, and now people them say for Banga Pongo just now, they try for keep thing the way it be come out for that aeroplane. That's also another part them this. All the thing the way they see not way be come out for that Kenya Airways where it be fall for 2007 for site for Banga Pongo. We be meet up even shoot them that for some people and close where they be die too for inside that same accident where it happen. So all the thing them now just thing that for make people them for sabi the canati will be passed for inside Banga Pongo when governor sote today 13 years they never fit for make the aboki where they promise they go make am for that place. And just so sabi one of the promise when governor to be make away never feel for do am na road if you don't promise say road from Banga Pongo it go be na express. Yes, road for Banga Pongo it go dey na express but now so see now the main road is we put the get for pass they no fit for pass for day for sika waiting water it don't turn up for the whole road as soon as they see am so wey no dey for people dem for waka we dey hear say people dem say for inside Banga Pongo for sika palava for this road problem wey dey get particular time wey rain e dey fall dem no dey fit for go for outside time wey dem wan go for some ngando for outside dem be forced for remain dem for inside house or when they go sleep they turn back na the next morning time sabi say governor be promise say they go open road wey e go comot from town so tey reach Banga Pongo they reach for side wey that aeroplane e be fall but so today no of that thing the way governor promise they never give am for people them for Banga Pongo as so they talk na only water e don cover all the main road them for that side so for Banga Pongo na way e don make am just now people there for Banga Pongo they no sabi for wear fine clothes for inside see as so okada dey swim inside water wey dey true rainy season say never come for inside the Douala sabi say when that time go come sef space where they waka no go dey na slippers be the best way for sape for inside Banga Pongo or you wear even a boot as well you see if you no get slippers you wear boot if you wear your shoes they say the shoes go spoil all time as well palava for roads it been a big problem for that side so for Banga Pongo under Douala 3 subdivision. And una sabi say Banga Pongo automatic if the road for come they say development for follow but they be underdeveloped even though na place wey normal for normal circumstance for normal place for other country therefore don't make Banga Pongo be some fine village but people there for Banga Pongo they dey so suffer I mean say suffer where they dey suffer na different level country people them as well dem say they dey so continue for cry they get palava for light wey no dey even school them no get yes school e no dey na big shame. Pikin them before they wan learn book na big trouble. They no fit even she don learn book. Since how pikin dem dey learn book country people dem, they dey only learn book na for some kind of condition. School na im be this. You dey see how school just dey, e just turn up. How pikin dem go manage learn for inside the kind of place? So na just the thing dem that way people dey Obanga Pongo dey cry say if governor if I don open that road or if I don keep a promise, then stranger dem dey come see place. E mean say money too for the enter. School where people dey learn na dey too foul. E dey cover itself small. Na why that road dey talk say country people dey get for sit down fine and people dey get for talk on top this palava. Water system na big problem for inside Banga Pongo. Sote now na for well they dey drag their water. Tap water system with the here e never enter for that side, so they get plenty problem them. Even as so they be the hope say after governor promise thing they go change, but 13 years it already passed. No promise when governor make am for them. It never so happen. As will be make special worker for inside Banga Pongo when a place for under Douala 3 subdivision. We go enter just now for inside Palava for Corona as well as Sabi. Professor Maurice Kamto, Suivi Cameroon Initiative. He says he don't give cargo them for Oga Penda Ekoka will be the head boy. I would say this time na 3,200 or na 3,200 masks or 32,000 face masks them as so here where they give them for Oga Penda Ekoka, say make it go divide them and 1,000 tests testing them where they go use them for test corona. So na palava way it don't continue. Sabi say the first one where they be sent them for outside. Plenty people them they glad for sick as say it don't help them. So now the new one then this way it don't send them for outside 32,000 face masks them and even a testing them for corona for say make the help see as well they go fight this sick come out them inside we country. As well the talk before we enter for see the condition for Ivory Coast and even place where they call them for Nigeria or as well man I didn't already start show just for Sabi say yesterday for Ivory Coast Alassane Dramane Ouattara a country now 54 new people them day where they catch the sick 29 as well here they well no person no die since we sick enter for Ivory Coast 2,477 people them they don't carry that sick now so too inside the same chapter 1,286 people them they don't already do it in they don't already well from the sick 30 people them they don't die for sick of this palava for corona for place where them call them say Ivory Coast. For place where they call them say Nigeria SSF for Buhari own country as well go enter for them country people them as well Tori enter for EM for Buhari country now 276 people them new case the way they get them yesterday for inside the Buhari own country. Then as well Unasabi total since we this sick enter for Buhari country now 8,344 people then they don't already get the sick 2,385 they don't well come out go for house now so to get 249 people them where it is so they don't already do it in die for sicker palava for this sick for that side so for Oga Buhari he own country. Just now, so for inside this palava for corona, we hear say for inside the Boya. Yesterday, work people them for Boya Council, they no be go for workplace. Now for Sika waiting, we hear say disinfect, it be happen for inside the Boya Council, as soon as Siam for inside the photo. We hear say work people them, as so the here work at work, no be happen for them because they be the disinfect. We hear say one Boya Council work person too, it be die. Now why that way it dey so this palava for disinfect it happen so they come out all the people them they so they be get for work inside the Boya Council yesterday for Sika palava say they get for disinfect as we Tori enter for we here work people them some the detox made that will put themselves they quarantine themselves for house for at least 14 days before they turn back. So this work it pass after they say some workman for Boya Council say it be die and no sabi whether na for Sika corona bed as we they talk for hospital it die it be linked to corona as soon as see they talk say die for Boya Regional Hospital where it be don't ever the go workplace. So now for Sika why that way they so they be first for disinfect Boya workplace as well their workman it die on top chapter where they talk say na corona. Last story for this afternoon before we come out. What tori we meet up with here for that side. So for Boya, people that sabi palava repe we be done the fight for plenty time on top this chapter for Southern Cameroon. They calling a Panjo Litumbe. SSF EBB for Sase 1941 we go school. Panjo Litumbe SSF we hear he died for inside Douala here. Yesterday and Pa died for ripe age. He died for age for more than 100 as we tori enter for we here. So big cry die for inside Boya as we tori enter for inside we here. Before we finish, I would just want to remind you say for Northwest, case them for corona, according to Wetiwe regional delegate. For sick people talk, it's in 77 people then just now where they don't get the sick, where they positive. For Northwest, and 16 people then they where they don't die, according to the book where be signed. It's a plenty of the case of people that they don't die. Some they remain for house, they come for hospital now for last minute. Inside the 16, now only one as we to re-enter for we EA die for inside hospital. The rest they bring them for emergency. We case it already be some kind of way. 20 people they do already well as we to re-enter we EA from Bamenda for corona. 40 as we here they don't they so they from top sick bed. Southwest it gets 97 cases for corona just now, according to official number we get from a delegation for sick people then for Southwest. For town them where they did for number one place. Limbe, it take number one for people that they get the sick. 44 people them they then we get 23 for Boya and Kumba. 7 people them they get the sick for Manfe. Number for people that they don't already well 22. 5 people that don't die for Southwest from Sikadis Palava for corona. As we get the figures, we get case for person 2 a don't lost country people that will go bring them for now before. As we now Siam, we go start with this man where he did so he don't lost. The man in name Nangon Michel Benjamin. They told say Michel he hates he not fine, but he did talk better. Emmanuel Macron he country talk country people them. So as we Tory enter for we here, they beg any person who don't see this party man, they talk say come up for house since for number 22 day for inside this moon, but he never turned back. So they beg if you don't see for any side, he had no turn fine. 671 713 965 677 not 1 not 87 not 67 not 575 358 number we use them for call people them where you go help them they say dash anyway too we get this other mommy some mommy today will don't the announce he die he lost since mommy Simo Jean no sabi say mommy don't lost since for 2019 family it is also beg say any person who don't see this face for some side they beg say make you try for call this number 677 141 217 677 127 213 or 699 257 226. They say plenty dash it waits any person where if you help them for find their mommy. Now they told you that for this afternoon, I saw they come out with the talk a big happy birthday for you, Mariette Mbe, for Saiwe di Lukwi for this afternoon. Country people, managing a big hand and Malis to be there for one corner. Now so say will be get Zephyrin Gondi to a day to for your own corner for help as we to read the pass. So I want to say big thank you to for Francois Dikume when I put camera for my before this afternoon. If Papa God help, we go meet up for some time. On a whole, I'm tight.